Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video settings on data usage settings on your account on Xtwitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility, display and languages, and now click data usage. There, as you see, you'll find it video settings. Here you can manage it if you want. And that's it for today. That's how to find video settings on your account on Xtwitter, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.